My name is Michael Proper. I work with a company named ClearCenter. You probably heard me blabbing before, but today I want to introduce Mark Warburton, who has been a regional partner for ClearCenter. And today we want to specifically talk about how he leverages ClearOS and ClearOS's Marketplace. So Mark, do you want to just tell us your experience with any app or a particular just use case with the ClearOS Marketplace?
Sure. So let me go into the customer. I want to just briefly tell you what goes on after you do an install. Once you get in and install the product, then the customer likes it or dislikes it, right? But in my case, with all my customers, of course, they end up liking it. And there's a reason they like it. It's the stability, it's the uptime, it's the security that comes with it. But you can always tell if a customer really likes the product when they come back later and say, now we need this or we need that. And in the past, I would say, well, let me throw another box at it. Let me get you another appliance, a router, for example. With ClearOS, I've been able to just go to the marketplace, download an app, whether it be a VPN app, whether it be content filtering, whether it be intrusion detection. There's so many different types of apps that I can download and give the customer exactly what they're looking for. And my customers are like, you mean I don't have to buy another box? No, we just go to the marketplace, we download an app that hundreds of thousands of people are using that actually works. And let me give you an example of the VPN app. I downloaded the VPN app. It's an IPsec app that has basically site-to-site VPN connectivity. And in the old days, I would just get maybe a Cisco 800 series or 500 series and put it in there. Now, I just download the app, the same exact appliance, and I'm in and out within a couple hours. What that does for the customer is they don't have to buy hardware. They don't have to pay 3, 4, 5, 6 hours worth of IT consulting. They don't have to do that. They just basically have a remote user, engineer log in, set up the site-to-site VPN, and on the fly, it's up.
What's neat about that is that everything he's talking about, that's actually a free app in the ClearOS Marketplace. And it's important to note that anything that is open source is always going to be free. We don't want to bill for things that are open source in the world. We want to help and integrate and enable them. If there's an integration complexity or cost or services behind it, then you'll probably see a fee for it. Again, an example that's relevant to what Mark's talking about is the dynamic VPN app. So you can do a site-to-site with just an IPsec tunnel or some type of VPN technology, or you can actually say, I want to have location A, let's say we've got both location A and B connected up, but I actually want to make sure that this IP address here, x.x.x, if the ISP is going to hand out a different one, it's going to automatically do a failover dynamically. So there's that dynamic VPN app in the ClearOS Marketplace that can actually make the whole VPN experience that much more better. They're very inexpensive, and the goal is for partners to be able to make a solid living on it. So that's a couple experiences with particularly the ClearOS Marketplace. Check back again for additional documentation or help or tutorials or certification on how to use the ClearOS Marketplace. Thanks.